What's up guys, Steven Dux here. The Dux Center is officially out and I'm going to give you an overview of all the DVDs. And right around here, there's my account statements, and people can see my account statements here, and you can see my performances. So around here, we're gonna have all different patterns and strategies, and giving you all kinds of advanced concepts, some homeworks, quiz 1, quiz 2. So those will help you to learn, and actually teach in the whiteboard. So it's more comprehensive and easier to learn. And each section has its very short videos, very easy to learn, and it's not going to be a long string of videos. So just practice each sections and will be much better to learn. If you're interested, click the link below. It will take you to the DVD link, and let's get into the recap. What's up guys, Steven Dux here. Today I'm going to do a recap about June trades. There's all kinds of stuff going on. PRBB, JAGX, and NBY. So I'm going to majorly go through those tickers and how to really analyze them, and also how to really spot when it's the down potential momentum, where is the potential uptrend momentum. So let's get into it. PRBB, this is a really strange weak open and massive parabolic right after that. Typically when the market cap, this market cap is around, market cap is around 160 million. So typically around 100 million cap, it's really difficult for a side to parabolic at 100%. And when you see the stock is trading really thin volume, which is considered that the parabolic volume is under 10 million. So since the stock is really high priced, the volume of course shouldn't be that much because it's more expensive. People buy less shares because if the price is more expensive, they can only buy 10,000 shares. They can only buy 1,000 shares. If the price is like say 20 cents, they can buy 200,000 shares. So the reason volume was really low is because it's really high price stocks. Shorting into those parabolics is really difficult into really high price stock. First, the volume is really thin. So considered to be as a thin volume, it's really difficult to get executed since the bid and ask are so spread out. So I made the attempt to short into the 18.5, and I took a loss in the 20s, and I didn't really trade after that. I think I took like a 3K loss on PRBB. So on JAGX, this one was a microcap, as you can see. And microflow and microcap, it's so difficult to predict where it's gonna go. Look at this, push and fade and push and fade again. So it gets really choppy. And for gap up short, especially on like JAGX, microflow stocks, I would recommend to touch it, either going long or short. And there's all kinds of chat pump involved in, so they might just blow up your risk, and there's market maker into that. People are manipulating those low floats. So micro floats, not suggested to trade. NBY, and we're gonna talk about this. The stock is up over 1,000%, 1,500%. You went from literally 30 cents to $5. On Monday, you can see all kinds of, there's no candle in the middle, and there's all empty spaces. Those are halts, and the stock was pretty much getting halted every single minute, and I halted about like 30 times on the day. And when the stock is up that much, the stock hits like a critical point. Everybody is shorting based on percentages. You have to be really careful. When the stock hits like critical percentages, like 500%, 1,000%, people think, oh, it's up too high, I'm going to short it. The answer is no. You have to really focus on the chart instead of focus on the percentages. On the first green day, I did not touch it. The volume was super crowded. And on the second day, I thought the pre-market volume was sufficient enough to really support the stock to going up, but it turns out it didn't. If you zoom in, you can see how many times it held this actual 3.31 area. Once it cracked that 3, it turned ultimate downfall. I took an entry into this bounce, and I think it covered into the 210s and made about 60 cents and made 35,000. As you can see, this is my live account. They realized 35,000, and this is actually a live account. And if you click main shortlist, you can actually borrow shares. Going back to NBY, when the stock is on first green day, it's definitely not shortable. On the second green day, it can be shortable, but you have to short after momentum completely shifts, because let's say on low flow, when the stock holds its dip for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. When the stock holds 10 times, people get frustrated, especially on short sellers. Once they cover, it cause a huge spike and do a breakout again and just wreck all the short sellers and turns into a lot of short squeezes. So always wait until stock finishes its panic, wait until the bounce, then short after it, and you can hold overnight to for extra. Probably gonna crack more tomorrow because it's after a first gigantic first red day. Always be patient. First green day, don't really deal with that headache. Don't trade low floats. Wait until the stock shift or massive drop short into a bounce, or wait until the stock forces like a consolidating price, something like right here. It's a consolidation area around 17. That's all the recap for today, and the Dark Signal is coming out, the new DVD course, and if you guys are interested, click the link below. There will be a button taking you straight to there. It teaches pretty much all the new updated market strategies, and it's gonna be really helpful analyzing all those tickers. And hopefully the market comes back. The market is already back, so let's see more plays in the future. That'll be it for today's recap. Thank you very much, and you guys have a great day.